Hello everyone, this is the ETABS Evaluation version 2018. Go to File menu, click on Open. Here we can open the model which we've designed in ETABS. This is the 23-story tall building model which I have designed in ETABS. This building is having different plans for a different set of stories. For stories 1 to 8, it is having the plan as shown here. Then for stories 9 to 14, it is having a different plan as shown here. Then for stories 15 to 19, it is having a different plan as shown here. And finally, for stories 20 to 23, the plan is as shown here. Now, we have used a set of beams and column sections for this frame. We can see it under the Define menu, Section Properties and Frame Sections. So we have taken 3 beams, first of 500 by 300, second of 550 by 350, third of 650 by 450 in millimeters, and similarly column of 550 by 550, second of 600 by 600, third of 700 by 700. We have used the properties of beam auto select and column auto select, which automatically selects the beam and column section fit for the building. Now click on the Unlock Model button. We have applied 3 different loads on this building: dead load, live load and wind load. Dead load applied is same for all the shells or slabs. Live load applied is different for the different set of stories as I have shown earlier, and wind load is also different according to the different elevations of the building that will be exposed to the wind loads. Now go to Analyze menu, click on Run Analysis. The software will run the analysis of the building, and after that it will show the deformed shape of the building under the action of loads. So as you can see, the analysis of the building is complete, and the 3D view shows the displacements and the deformed shape of the building under the action of the applied forces. If you right click on any joint, then a window shows up which tells the rotations and the displacements of that particular joint under the action of the various loads under various directions of X, Y and Z. Now go to Design menu. Under Concrete Frame Design, click on View/Revise Preferences. Here we can see that the code that we have applied is IS456-2000. Click on OK. Again under Design, go to Concrete Frame Design and click on Start Design/Check. This process is followed so that the software checks whether the applied frames and the beams and columns to the building are suitable for the building or not. So now the analysis part of the building is complete and the design check part of the building is also complete. The 3D view tab shows the values. These values are of the area of the longitudinal and confinement bars required for that beam or column. Now go to design menu under concrete frame design, click on verify all numbers passed. The message shows that all concrete frames pass the design check. Click on OK. That is, the beam sections and the column sections that we have applied are suitable to bear the load that we have applied on the building. So here the analysis, design and check part of the building is complete. Now under the Model Explorer tab, go to Reports. Here the project report and the summary report can be generated. Click on Project Report. The software will generate the project report in some time. So finally, the project report is generated. It should look like this. The various tables in the report show the details of the reinforcements to be applied in the building, the concrete properties of the building, and the various analysis and design results of the frame sections. Now go to display menu. Under forces/stress diagrams, click on frame/spire/spandrel/link forces. Here, this will show the different values of the shear and the moments of the various beams and columns. If you click on shear 33 and click on OK, you can see the shear force diagrams of the beams and columns in the 3-3 direction. Similarly, if you click on moment 33, then you will be able to see the bending moment diagram of the various beams and columns in the 3-3 direction. So this completes the analysis and design check of the building that we have designed in the ETABS software. Thank you.